everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about the ultimate cybersecurity checklist for remote workers in 2026. So let's start with the first one, which is audit your security posture with a dashboard. So before you fix anything, you need to know where you stand. So install a security posture tool like UpGuard, CyberHaven, or Microsoft Defender for individuals to get an overall security score. So this is most people start somewhere between 40 to 70 out of 100. So the dashboard gives you a checklist: VPN connected, 2FA enabled, password manager active, OS updated, antivirus running, and each item gets a green check mark when satisfied. So you can aim for a score above 90 to 100, and this single dashboard view tells you in 30 seconds whether your remote work setup is actually secure or whether you are one phishing email away from a disaster. So don't skip the step: auditing always reveals at least 2 to 3 gaps when you didn't know existed. Next is use a password manager with health reports. So reusing passwords is the number one reason remote workers get hacked in 2026. So install a password manager like 1Password, Bitwarden, or Dashline, and import every login you use. So email, GitHub, AWS Console, Slack, Notion, or your bank, and etc. So the vault stores encrypted credentials behind a single master password. So the most important feature in 2026 is the security health report. So it will scan your vault and tells you exactly how many weak passwords you have. Like for example, 12 weak passwords detected. How many are reused across multiple sites, or and which ones have appeared in known data breaches. So you can fix every week and reuse passwords by clicking Generate Strong Password and updating the sites. So this single step blocks 80% of credential stuffing attacks. Next is always stay connect through a trusted VPN. So public Wi-Fi at coffee shops, airports, and hotels is a hunting ground for attackers in 2026. So always connect through a reputable VPN like NordVPN, Molvard, or Proton VPN. So open the application, choose a server in your home country, like for example, United States, New York, and then click connect. So verify your IP address has changed, like for example, shows 192 and etc. And that encryption is set to AES 256. So critical settings to enable: kill switch or cuts internet if VPN drops, and preventing IP leaks. So threat protection, which blocks malicious sites and trackers. Auto connect, which turns VPN on automatically when you join untrusted Wi-Fi. So a VPN encrypts every byte of data leaving your laptop, making man in the middle attacks nearly impossible. Next one is lock down every account with strong 2FA. So two-step verification, or 2FA, is a single most effective defense against account takeovers in 2026. So go to your Google account security settings and repeat for every important account and enable two-step verification. So you can use multiple methods for redundancy: an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or 1Password. So a hardware security key like YubiKey for the strongest protection, generated backup codes saved offline, and a verified phone number as a fallback. So you can avoid SMS-only 2FA because SIM swaps attacks are common in 2026. So you can review the recent security activity log monthly to spot any suspicious logins. So with hardware key 2FA enabled, even if attackers steal your password, they cannot log in without physically processing your YubiKey. Last one is encrypt your disk and patch your OS religiously. So if your laptop gets stolen, full disk encryption is only thing standing between a thief and every file you own. So on Mac OS, you can open System Settings, tap on the Privacy and Security, and confirm File Vault shows on. So disk encrypted on Windows, enable BitLocker through Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Device Encryption, and then also confirm your firewall is on, automatic updates are enabled, and review which apps have access to your camera and microphone. So revoke any suspicious, and then install OS security patches the day they release. So most successful attacks in 2026 exploit vulnerabilities that were patched months earlier, but the user never updated. So restart weekly so pending patches actually install. So these 5 layers audit, password manager, VPN, 2FA, and encryption will put you in the top 5% of secure remote workers in 2026. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.